Hello, welcome back. We've finally gotten to this day. I feel like we've been waiting forever, but here we are, and I'm so happy that we are here together today. I just wanted to take a few minutes and tell you a little bit about myself. Um, I've been teaching at Culbertson for, I guess, 10 years now. I've been teaching fifth grade for most of those years. And I feel like I know many of you already because we were fortunate enough to be in our new uh, building wing together. So um, some of your faces I know are very familiar. So it'll be nice to be together again. Um, a little bit about myself. Um, I live in Broomall, right near the high school. Both my boys, I have two boys, Brian and Alan, went to Worrell and they went to Paxton and graduated from the high school. They're both doing great. Brian, when he graduated, he's my older son, right here in the Brown. When he graduated from high school, he decided he wanted to go to trade school. So he did that, did great. He worked and went to school at the same time to learn his trade. And he does HVAC work, which is heating and air conditioning and the air systems that make all that work. He loves it. He's very hands-on. He needs to be busy with his hands, and he's a great problem solver, and he likes math. So that was a perfect job for him. He's doing great. And my other son, Alan, on the other side over here, he's my younger son. He went to Penn State after he graduated, and he is now an energy engineer. So he is working in the city, loves his job. He does design work for all different types of energy, mostly electrical, but he's been doing some other things too. So he's actually still kind of learning because he's such a new engineer. But he's working at the Navy Yard right now on one of their big projects. And I'm very proud of them. They both have left home and they actually have an apartment together, so they can help each other out as they um, start their independent adult life. And I'm really proud of both of them. And they're local, which is so nice. So I get to see them often. Um, Over here is a picture of Mr. Hunt and myself. This is down at the Polar Plunge in Sea Isle. It's my polar bear hat. We love the Polar Plunge. We've been doing it for many years in a row now. And yes, we both go in. The water is cold, but it's so much fun. And you know, I like to do adventurous things like that. I feel like I'm an adventurous person, but like I'm not. I don't really want to do bungee jumping or anything like that. But I'll try something if if it sparks my interest and it is fun. Um, and then our other family member is Marley. That's our puppy dog right here. Although she's not a puppy anymore, she's slowing down. She's getting older. She's 13 years old, but she still likes to take her walks and she loves to sniff flowers, as you can see. Um, Another part of my family over here. This is my mom sitting in the middle and my three sisters. So I am number two of the four girls. My oldest sister is Debbie. She's sitting behind my mom. And then me, I'm number two. And then number three sister next to Debbie is Cindy. And then my baby sister is Chrissy. She's right here. And yeah, even though she's 40 some years old, she's still the baby. And they all live locally, so we get to see each other often, although not so much lately, but we do, Zoom meetings and we talk on the phone. And the big thing in my family is my niece, who is Chrissy's little girl, although she's a grown woman. She's a teacher also. She's getting married in October, so that's a big fun thing happening in our family. So that's my family. Um, and some of my hobbies, other than liking to jump in the ocean in February, I love beekeeping. I'm a beekeeper. Um, I learn a lot from the bees. It's so interesting. They're every time I open the hive up, I never know what I'm going to see or what I'm going to learn from the bees. That's part of the fascination, and I just love how they work together. Um, Thousands of bees, tens of thousands of bees work together to make their hive. Um, strong and survive. So, and of course, I love honey. So that's my interest in bees. And I'll share with you what's going on in the hive as the season continues. Another hobby, of course, I love reading. I'm a pretty avid reader. I have a book club with my girlfriends, and we read a book every month, and it's a lot of fun. If you're not an avid reader, I hope by the end of the year, maybe um, we change that and, change your attitude toward reading. I wasn't an avid reader when I was younger. I don't know why. But reading's a great thing. You can learn a lot depending on what you read, fiction, nonfiction. It's just a great thing to be able to do. It takes you to new places and maybe sparks interest that you didn't know you had just by something you read. So, um, reading, I like to do that. Another activity I love to do is hiking. I go hiking and camping, and I love to be on the water. Um, we have a summer cottage my in-laws do in Rhode Island, so we spend time there, and we actually got to go there this summer for a little bit, so it was fun. Um, so that's kind of my world right now. I really look forward to meeting all of you and us working together. This is a new and exciting adventure for everyone, teachers and students and parents. But we're going to make it a great year, and we're going to be a team. So I look forward to seeing all of you, and I hope you have a great day. Bye.